What's good, YouTube? T-Dot Globetrotter back in here with another video. Right now we are in the South Florida area. We will be going to Miami Carnival. For those of you who don't know about Miami Carnival, it's once a year they do a festival for all the different Caribbean countries. For example, Trinidad, Jamaica, St. Lucia, Antigua, all these Caribbean countries, and they all come together and they perform like a full day festival. I'm just excited for you guys to see how it will be out here. It is my first time in Toronto. They do have the same festival in August. See you guys there at the carnival. Peace.
We're ready. Yeah, we're ready. The sun now raising up, and the crowd now waking up. The atmosphere have vibes, and nothing can break it up. The girl never wine non-stop. We had the drinks them in a bike up. I remember when I run, hot I get in knee down. I'm my best friend with she get more than I know.
Anticipating, I wanna jam on somebody that's on our pull up in the face, I wanna jam on. Bring for the bang, bring for the bang, bang, bang. Man, I say hot for this now. Touch your toe now. Go down low now. Watch them girls, boy. Watch them girls.
What's poppin', YouTube? We're back at the airport in Fort Lauderdale. Had a crazy weekend. Fortunately, I didn't really get to film as much as I wanted for the first two events, but in regards to the carnival itself, got some good footage, and as y'all seen. So I had a great time. Heading back home for Thanksgiving. Shout out to all my family that took care of me in Florida. They know who they are. And yeah, I'd love to come back next year. Out here is a crazy vibe. It's definitely one of the places you guys should go if you haven't. So until next time, T-Dot Globetrotter out. Peace.
We're ready for the